So another day. We gather information that our prototype will become more efficient and usable if we add the sensor. In order to become mas lalong kapaki-pakinabang. So ilalagay namin to dito sa harap. Bubutasin namin yan para ito may lagay sensor, dependent light sensor. Yan. Ito ay light dependent sensor. Pagtanto namin na mas lalong magiging kapaki-pakinabang to pag may ganto, lalo na't ang title namin ay LED night light with on and off switch. Ito.